Hello everyone and welcome to beautiful Elora, Ontario, where today it's threatening to rain, but it hasn't rained yet. I mean, we're gonna go and take some pictures. I've already taken some of the car and we're gonna walk around and explore and hopefully go on a hike, but I'm the only one that wore hiking shoes, so I'll keep you posted on that. It's just so beautiful here. Honestly, it's like, it's so European in the way that everything is constructed that I don't know, it's like I'm not in Ontario. I guess I'm just used to boring Ontario stuff.
Show you what I'm missing. Come swinging with that, swinging with that. I got my own and swinging it back. Stopping my game when I'm under attack.
Okay, well, that was most of the town. My apologies, it's short, but there really isn't that much of it, but it is really pretty, and I would highly recommend visiting if you're from around the region. Okay, it took a lot to find this place. I'm hoping it's the right one, but I'm doubtful, but we'll see. There was a bunch of different parks. They were all closed. This one had a no trespassing sign, but we got in and my mom was freaking out and I was kind of like, I don't know about this, but there's two full parking lots of cars and families getting out. So I have to be honest, the chance of us getting ticketed are very low given the sheer number of other people here. I'm pretty confident that we're good to go, and unfortunately it's either started to rain or the gorge is splashing, but I feel like it's raining and I'm carrying like the whole setup. Drone, gimbal, everything.
I think it goes down.
Yeah? Do you think it goes down there?
Well, there's people down there.
Oh, that's cool. This is what we're referring to right now. These stairs that just kind of go to nowhere. So I'm gonna take a picture of that real quick if you don't mind. Yo, this is sick. Look at this. This is ridiculous. It's so cool. This is cool in here too. What do you mean? This is so cool. I really hope everyone's appreciating just how beautiful all of this is. It's absolutely ridiculous that this is just kind of in the middle of nowhere, honestly. We did not see a Tim Hortons for many miles, which is the Canadian equivalent of McDonald's. It's a really good marker for how far away from civilization you are. And this is in the middle of nowhere. And back up here we go. I mean, look at this. This is really awesome. It is definitely weird how in places like Manitoulin Island, we could just walk wherever we wanted. Go check out those videos if you haven't already. They're pretty good. But here, we're in Ontario, obviously, there's just fencing everywhere, as if people who are coming to the Elora Gorge don't know that there's a gorge here and can't be trusted to not fall off. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. This is totally fenced in. Look at this, fence, 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 all the way up there. You can't, sorry, it's focusing. Fence all the way around here. I can't get down there. It's just fence.
Now I'm racing, trying to take it in before it's gone. Now I'm saving every little part of this feeling. I'm free, alright. Yeah, I feel it when I close my eyes. I'm free all night. Yeah, I feel it when I close my eyes.
And we found these stairs. We saw them from the other side and we wanted to go. And we're here and it is still fenced off. And I don't know how these people got down. I don't.
How can I frame it? I think we can make it. There's no need to fake it. Oh no, 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 no.
Okay, look at this. The water is absolutely stunning today. It turned out to be beautiful weather out. We got William, he's taking pictures over there. And just look at all of that. It is mesmerizing watching this water. And we're gonna go down, zoom in, and we are gonna get the shots. There we go. I'll be honest, I am so glad that we came down here because this, I mean, I'm sure you can see this. It's really pretty and you can honestly just walk for miles across the shore. I won't because my mom has been a trooper. She's wearing high heels right now and I'm not gonna make her do that. There's no way she's getting down here, but that's an adventure for another day. Need your thoughts?
Get the drone shot.
Get the drone shot? Or do you think she'll be mad?
No, she a little bit.
A little bit mad?
A little bit.
Got the drone here. We're gonna put it up because this is too pretty not to. I'm gonna watch out for some Canada geese to make sure I don't take any out, or rather, make sure it doesn't take the drone out. I'm getting some weird looks. I'll be honest, like just between you and me. Weird looks. People are staring.
I'm all in, so take it to the heart. Willing to give it a shot in the dark. Already written in the stars. Yeah, we're just getting started. Yeah, we're just getting started. Time is a wasting. It's a game that we're playing. And I don't want to.
The worst part about YouTube videos or filmmaking or anything is when everyone else starts to walk ahead of you and you've got like several pounds, lots of gear in your backpack, and you brought a jacket because you thought it was going to be cold, but now you're too hot and you're having to walk way too fast to keep up.
This would be like their like where you could come for like their fish and chip, like their chip wagon.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that'll be a chip wagon for hot dogs.
Oh,
and
that's
stuff.
cool.
And
No, that is really cool. Is this the exit?
this has got to be.
It looks like the exit.
So were we supposed to have paid to get in?